Hi, this is Miss Ferguson with tips and tricks on how to use the library catalog. To find the catalog, go to brooklyntechlibrary.com. You can scroll down the page to where you see search our catalog, and you can start searching right away. I'm going to look for a book called Children of Blood and Bone. You have to know that spelling counts, and if you make a little mistake, it will say there's no books by that title. And then once you find your books, you can scroll to search, or you can use the filters to look by title, author, or by date. It is really hard to search by genre. If you want to search by genre, you should put the genre title in here. But you can't search genre, title, and book at the same time. I'm already logged in. I went to login in the upper right hand corner, so I am seeing the hold notices. This book that I'm looking for is in the library, so I can't put a hold on it. Or if I do, I still have to go to the library to look for it. If a book is out, I will get an email notice when the book arrives when I put a hold on it. If I want to see a little bit more about this book, I can read a blurb here, and at the bottom I click on a button that says view more details. I can click on that, and I can then click on similar books with a similar genre, or books that are somehow similar to this book. And finally, if I go to my stuff, I can see my checkouts. I can see my holds, my history, but my checkouts will show me, here's a book that's overdue. I cannot renew that book. This book is not due yet, so I can still renew it. And I can renew it one time through the catalog. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to email a librarian, library@BTHS, or come in the library for some help, even if we're full.